So we're going to talk about layering styling products. People often ask where they're using more than one product on the hair, which one goes on first, which one goes on after. On Megan's hair, I'm going to use 3 products. I'll show you the sequence and I'll show you why. So the first product that goes on is our Eureka Blowdry Balm. This is a heat protector. It will also help the style to stay longer. It will hydrate the hair. And we just put about 3 pumps on the hair. Why that goes on first is because this product is working at a deeper level. This goes on to clean hair, and we want this to penetrate down to the core of the hair where it's going to be protective, hydrating. The other styling products we're going to use are more closer to the surface. They're sitting more on the surface of the hair shaft, and they're designed to give the hair body, make the hair feel thicker. The first of those is our Thicker Quicker, and this product we use on hair that's very soft, and that's designed to give the hair more texture, and this product can literally double the thickness of hair. Some of the product is there to make the hair more supple and to hold bend, but most of the product is closer to the surface to give texture. And this we will put really just on the roots of the hair. It's not designed for the tips here where the hair is already textured and rougher. The fresh hair at the roots is usually silkier and floppier, and this is where the Thicker Quicker really works. The other product I'm going to use, and this is a popular combination that we use in the salon when we want to give a lot of body to hair, is our Volumising Mousse. This will thicken hair but also smooth hair. This we tend to use on the mid-lengths and the ends of the hair that already have a bit of texture and a little bit of roughness. Not too much. We'll look at like a golf ball size or an egg size, and you'll see that I'm applying mid-lengths and ends. So there we have 3 key products for styling, but in sequence. The heat protecting blow dry balm first, that's the most deeply penetrating, and then the Thicker Quicker just on the roots of the hair where the hair is very soft and floppy, and then the Volumising Mousse on the mid-lengths and ends where the hair already has texture, and the mousse will help to thicken but smooth the surface also. And what that does really is it evens out the texture of the hair naturally, where the hair is silky and floppy at the roots, a little bit rougher at the ends. The 2 different products even out the texture, but both give lots of body.